This is LG Q70 and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. First of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then open up the Google search bar. At the search field, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Should be somewhere in here. Here it is. Go for the web page. When it gets loaded, go for the Android option over here. Then tap at the download the app from Epic Games link. Confirm that you would like to download the file, then open it, install the Epic Games launcher, then open the Epic Games app, tap at the get button in front of a Fortnite game, and then install it by, tapping at the respective install button. In here, as you can see, once the needed files get downloaded but yet to be installed, it is required that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install those files, thus give it the install unknown apps permission, which you can do by switching this toggle on. Then get back to the Epic Games, confirm that you would like to still install the game. Then once again confirm the installation and wait for the game to get finally installed. Now launch the Fortnite, and all that's left to do is to wait for it to get all the resources and necessary updates downloaded in here, and after that you'll be able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.